Now this is how you're going to select all object combined in the notes on the iPad. Let me show you how selecting works within the notes app. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, of course, once you have the notes app open, and if you want to select all of the notes, what you have to do is just to use the two-finger gesture by dragging across your notes list and select as many notes as you want, which you'll then be able to just move to a different place or perform some changes to it, like literally delete if I wanted to. So that is how it kind of works. When it comes to existing note, what you're gonna do is to just hold down on the individual area and click on select all as well, and it will just let you select all of the things, right? So it might include the photos, the text, or all of the other objects which might be part of that note, right? So the whole point is to just tap on the text or the cursor, click on select all, and it will, as I said, select all of the objects which might be your photos within the Notes app, or some other files, text, titles, or different formatting of your note. So that is how you can do it. And then as well, you can copy it or perform some changes to it. So that is something which you might be interested in. So I really hope that I was able to help you out at least a little bit. If you meant something completely different with the search thing, then, let me know about it, what it was below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.